The origin of the Civic. Let's delve into the global context of the time, but from the Japanese perspective. In 1972, significant events took place worldwide, such as the return of Okinawa to Japan, the Munich Olympics, and the Sapporo Winter Olympics. Ueno Zoo in Japan introduced pandas to the public for the first time. In popular culture, several trends were on the rise, including the popularity of living in apartments, the Casio mini calculator, safari-style shorts, and long hair for men. In cinema and television, popular titles included Dirty Harry, A Clockwork Orange, Devilman, and Mazinger Z. According to information provided by Honda's headquarters in Japan, the aim was to create a basic car that would meet the needs and expectations of people worldwide. Honda sought an English word that conveyed the idea of a connection with citizens, reflecting the company's vision of providing an affordable and reliable vehicle for daily life. They chose the name Civic, with the meaning related to citizens, symbolizing the concept of a car that would be present and useful to the global community.